Hi, Carl. I see you're good at this maze game, aren't you?
Yeah.
Walter, I'm not so sure whether it's fair play. Carl? I think there's something behind you. Walter, you've caught Carl. Congratulations. Looks like somebody's calling for help. We have to go, Carl. Oops. Lilly was going through the tunnel with 3 babies when suddenly something blocked the exit. It was a giant marble that was being pushed by Billy. Don't worry, Lilly. Supertruck is here to help. Stay tight with the babies. Supertruck, this mission requires a strong vehicle. Jackhammer? Wow! That looks so impressive, Supertruck! Lilly, move back with the babies a little bit. This may shake you up. What is it, Billy? See something? A danger? Oh no! Supertruck, look out! Oh, that was close! Are you okay there? Supertruck, looks like that didn't work. The marble is stuck. What are we going to do now? You want to use air pressure to push the marble from the inside? But how are you going to create the pressure? ST3000! Of course! Supertruck, where are you going now? To the other side of the tunnel. You want to use the super reactors to create the pressure in the tunnel? Uh-oh. Looks like we have a problem. Supertruck! Problem solved. Supertruck, the marble popped out, but now it's rolling away. Quick, you have to go to the other side. Oh, Supertruck, that was so close to disaster, but you saved the situation. Well done. Billy, I forgot to ask about this marble. What is it for? You want to show us now? Okay. Wow, it's a giant earth marble. Isn't it beautiful, Lilly? Thanks for today, Supertruck. You saved our friends and helped Billy finish this beautiful project for the babies. I wonder what adventure we'll see in the next episode. Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Uh-oh, something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop. Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble!
Supertruck!
The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Supertruck? Jerry, Supertruck is here to help. You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Supertruck, you need to act fast. Hurry up, Supertruck! Let's go! What's happening? Careful! Oh no! The water is coming your way! You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Supertruck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later. Wow, Jerry's sure going fast. Now that's an unusual race. Look at these fans! Jerry, it's not nice to call Bobby a slowpoke. Careful, Jerry! Oh no! Uh-oh, Jerry. Looks like we need help. Duty calls, Carl. Super truck, go! Jerry and Bobby are a bit further away, Super Truck. Look over there! In the water! The water is getting polluted with all this trash! What are you going to do, Super Truck? Super Truck will take care of this, Jerry. Great idea, Super Truck. It's working. See, Bobby? There's nothing to fear. Super Truck is here. You'll be more careful next time, Jerry. You want to help, Jerry? That's nice of you, but maybe you should let Super Truck... Jerry! Super Truck, quick! Hang in there, Jerry. Jerry, grab on! Quick, Super Truck, use your ST3000! What's this?
Hey!
Another job well done, Super Truck. Everyone is safe. Look at that, Jerry. You get to water ski. Bye, friends. See you next time. Hi, Penny. I see you found a much more interesting way of unloading those crates. Great! Nice work, Carl. This game reminds me of Tetris. Do you know that video game? Oops! I didn't expect that to happen. You have to pay attention, my friend. Looks like someone is in trouble. The babies got dressed as Avengers and were playing around the canal. The bridge was about to lift to let Bobby go under when the babies decided to jump it. Unfortunately, it didn't end well, and now all the babies are stuck on a pontoon Bobby was towing. Bobby got hit with a hammer and lost consciousness. That's right, Supertruck. We have to save them fast! What is it, Supertruck? You can't help them from here? You have to get into the water. What are you going to do now, Supertruck? You're going to catch the babies in your net? Here we go. Let's see how this net will work. Well done! Babies, just follow Supertruck along the canal, okay? Oh no! This magnet got stuck to the net! We can't allow the baby to fall into the water, Supertruck. It can't swim! Are you okay, babies? Looks like to you it's just fun, isn't it? Oh no! You're saying that if we don't stop Bobby in time, he'll drift into the sea? This can't happen! Oh no! This isn't working! Bobby is too big for your net, Supertruck! You've got an idea! It's time to use the ST-3000! A telekinetic ray? That's it! You can use it to stop Bobby! Bobby is very heavy! Pull harder! You want to help Supertruck? You are the Avengers? But of course! Oh no! Supertruck is completely exhausted! Bobby, wake up! You're drifting toward the sea! Yes! We did it together! Now Bobby and Supertruck are safe! Supertruck is right, babies. You must think twice before you do something like that. It was very dangerous. I have to say that your costumes are very good. I'm impressed. Hey, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like Supertruck, click here to subscribe. For more adventures, click here. See you on the road.